Arts, Quarter 2, Week 2. This module will introduce you to the arts and crafts of China, Japan, Korea, such as painting, calligraphy, knot tying, paper cutting, and others. You will learn that these countries focus on nature as their subjects or themes in their arts and crafts, as influenced by their history, beliefs, religion, location, culture, and dynasty. Our MELCs for today analyzes elements and principles of arts in the production of arts and crafts inspired by the cultures of East Asia. Identifies characteristics of arts and crafts in specific countries in East Asia, China, Chinese painting and calligraphy, Japan, origami, woodblock painting, theater mask, face painting, and anime and manga. And Korea, we have theater mask, drums, and K-pop. Reflects on and derive the mood, idea, or messages from selected artifacts and arts objects. Appreciates the artifacts and arts objects in terms of their utilization and their distinct use of arts elements and principles. Incorporates the design, forms, and spirit of East Asian artifacts and objects to one's creations. Art refers to the visual arts, which cover the creation of images and objects in fields including painting, sculpture, printmaking, photography, and other visual media. The art form is an activity or a piece of work that can be regarded as a medium or artistic expression. In East Asia, the objects or items usually put in the painting are motifs, subjects, and themes. This may be about anything in the environment. Painting is one of the oldest forms of visual art. It is the art of applying paint to surfaces to convey a message or information. Asians use painting to convey their beliefs, traditions, hopes, and aspirations. The following are the painting subjects or themes of East Asian countries. In China, we have the subjects or themes like flower and birds, landscape, palaces and temples, human figures, animals, bamboos, and stone. In Japan, we have scenes from everyday life, narrative scenes crowded with figures or details. And in Korea, we have 5 categories: the landscape paintings, minhwa or the traditional painting, 4 gracious plants like plum, blossoms, orchid or wild orchids, bamboo, and portraits. Chinese painting is one of the oldest continuous artistic traditions in the world. The 2 painting styles in Chinese are Gongbi, which is meticulous, and Shiyi, or the freehand. Landscape painting was regarded as the highest form of Chinese painting. They have 3 concepts of Chinese arts: heaven, earth, and human, or what they called as yin-yang. Yin-yang is a concept of dualism, describing how obviously opposite or contrary forces may actually be complementary, interconnected, and interdependent in the natural world, and how they may give rise to each other as they interrelate to one another. Japanese painting. There are many styles and genres of visual arts in each period of time. While the fundamental of aesthetics is based on the common practices from more than 1,000 years ago. Ukiyo-e is literally known as the pictures of the floating world. Is the name given to the paintings and prints. It is a composite term of yuki, or floating, yo, as world, and e, as pictures. One of the biggest characteristics of Japanese painting is the depiction of scenes from daily life and narrative scenes that are often crowded with the figures and its details. These traditional styles passed down up to now in Japanese fine arts. Even to recent, they have manga and anime. Korean painting. Traditionally, Korean art has borrowed heavily from the aesthetics of both Chinese art and Japanese arts, using similar concepts, motifs, techniques, and forms. The unique character of Korean art lies in its understated simplicity and spontaneity, together with the feeling of harmony with the nature. Minhwa, or folk painting, are by far most interesting of the traditional Korean paintings. Woodblock printing. It is a technique for printing text, images, or patterns used widely throughout East Asia. It is originated in China as a method of printing on textiles but eventually became a method of printing on paper. Calligraphy. To the Chinese, calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting. Traditional paintings involve essentially the same techniques as calligraphy, and it is done with a brush dipped in black and colored ink. Oils are not used. It uses Chinese brush and ink to write on paper, stone, or fabric. Cai Lun is the one who invented the paper in the 1st century AD. It provided not only a cheap of widespread medium for writing, but painting became more economical. Peking opera face painting, or what they called as Jingju Liangpu. It is a traditional special way of makeup in Chinese operas in pursuit of the expected effect of performance. It is done with different colors in accordance with the performing character's personality and historical assessment. Kabuki makeup, or Casio, composed of very dramatic lines and shapes using colors that represent certain qualities. Another way of face painting in Japan, which has two types: the standard makeup, which is applied to the most actors, and the Kumadori makeup, which is applied to the villains and heroes. Korean mask, or tal, used in funeral services to help banish evil spirits, and theater plays dating back to the prehistoric age. These masks were also used for shamanistic rites and were kept within temples where they were honored with offerings.